everybody, I'm Kay. Welcome to my homestead. Well, it's going to rain very soon, and it's going to rain all the rest of the day and all night. So the extension agent, Lucas, who was here yesterday, and I'll put the link up there, of the great video we made here. He had so much information. Be sure and check that out, especially if you're in Zone 7. But he covers a lot of pests and diseases, and you'll want to see that. He said, if I want to plant anything, last chance for summer, I got to plant it right now before this rains. So I'm going to jump out here and finally plant that English lavender. So stay tuned. Well, as the weather app would have it, the storm has moved off 3 hours in the last half hour. So I am not going to be out here in 87 degrees, sunny, hot, humid weather, going around the whole thing if I don't have to. I'm going to come back when it's closer to raining and get them all in. So I'm gonna just pack in these 9 I've done, and then I'm gonna take a 2-hour break and resume, like any sensible person would do. Okay, this is big. Whoa, where are you going? Hey, hey, hey. Okay, okay. She's a little excited because of the storm. People are still driving by. I still hear a mower over here. So people are much more used to this sort of thing than I am, but I knew it would take me a minute to get inside, so I cut it short. I think I'm just one plant over halfway. It's my fault. I went in and I had a great meal. I had 3 eggs from a local producer, Lightning. Okay, I'm going in. And lettuce greens from a local producer, tomato from a local producer. I got it from that local market on Walnut Street in Cookeville. And the cucumber came from my friend that I saw on July 4th. And, you know, just olive oil, balsamic, salt and pepper, and ground coriander on my eggs, and toast from the market. So it was a great meal. And then I got caught up looking at YouTube shorts. And I'm going, Kaye, you need to get out there. It's getting dark. So anyway, I got the front strip done, and then I'll do the rest tomorrow. Thanks so much for watching this channel. I hope you subscribe if you're interested in becoming a sustainable homesteader, or even if you're just a small space gardener. You'll find lots to enjoy right here on this channel, and ways to support it underneath each video in the description. Thanks so much. Hit that like button on your way out, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. I just made it.